Hi there, it's James bringing you the walk around of the absolutely stunning Xdrive 320D G20 Msport. So of course we're going to make our way around the vehicle whilst I talk you through some of the features and options, then we'll make our way through onto the interior. Starting with the exterior, where we have the stunning YNC Mperformance body styling kit, which is of course all fitted in-house. As you see, as we make our way around the exterior, we've gone for the full gloss kit with the extra of having the carbon fibre style rear boot spoiler, which of course you'll see in a bit closer up in just a second. Starting now with the stunning 19-inch Msport alloy wheels 793s, which are a optional extra from the factory. These wheels are around about £800 optional extra, and they are totally immaculate. They have a very nice colour contrast of a satin diamond cut outer face with a almost grey/blue insert, and all the way around to keep you hunkered down the road. Combined with that Xdrive, they have the Brigestone Pretender run flat tyres on. Moving back to the front, we've got that absolutely stunning splitter. We've also got the BMW LED headlamps, as you can see in operation there, and also the LED fog lights. Moving down the side, you also see we have fitted the gloss black side blades to this vehicle, alongside the BMW Mperformance side vinyls, and then the extra Mperformance decals as well. Now, interior on this vehicle is the absolutely stunning Oyster Valencia leather. This particular vehicle has the Tech Pack, Comfort Pack and Premium Pack, so included in that is the electric function seats with memory for driver's side. We also have the superb glass sunroof with tilt and slide. We of course get the Harman Kardon surround sound. We've also got the heated seat function, heated steering wheel function, all of which we will go through in a bit more detail. The Comfort Access Pack I will show you in just a second when we nearly finish off the video. We've also got the privacy glass. Moving on for a view of the rear seats now, where of course you've got that ISOFIX rear bench, centre folding armrests, and of course the split folding seat function, which now comes as standard on the G23 series. As I mentioned at the start of the video, this is an Xdrive, and it is the first Xdrive version of this type of vehicle we have had in. As you can see there, so it is that superb BMW four-wheel drive system. We've also got rear-facing reversing camera, and of course part of the Comfort Access Pack is the electric opening and closing boot, as you can see there now. And there is the unlatching points for the split folding seats, and a very large boot space as well. And we simply click that to fold down the boot. And of course there is that carbon fibre style rear boot spoiler I was mentioning. The last mineral grey G23 series we had was only in stock around about 2 days, and it was an absolute stunner, and this vehicle is no different at all. This vehicle does have the Premium Pack, the other vehicle just had the Tech and Comfort, so this is a little bit further of a treat. Once again, you can see that these wheels are unmarked, but I'm sure should you choose to come see the vehicle, you'll be able to see that for yourself. Okay, so we're going to climb on inside now and go through full interior options and spec as quick as possible. Bear in mind there is a huge amount of options in the interior of this car and in the G23 series in general. So of course with that BMW Live cockpit, moving over to the camera displays. Now, not only have we got a rear-facing camera, we've also got the 360 camera and the front camera on this vehicle, all of which you can select through of your choice by clicking the camera button, of course. So that's the front camera. We'll click back through to all of the camera modes, and as you can see there, we can click the camera that we would like. So that's the mirror camera over here, and if we select reverse, it will go to the backwards camera. We can then put that back in park and give ourselves the option to change the camera. Of course you can see all this should you choose to come and view the vehicle, and of course checking out the still images. Now onto the main stuff here. Of course we've got the professional wide navigation and media, which is all now touchscreen. There is the nav. Going back to the communications menu, which is obviously where you'll pair your devices for Bluetooth audio, Bluetooth telephone, and of course Apple CarPlay. Media wise, DAB, and a wide array of other multimedia functions as well. You've of course got the heated seats in the front, which I've already mentioned. There is that lovely heated steering wheel button, which of course, especially this time of year, you're going to want. And there you have it. And if we click off the vehicle, we can check out the odometer reading. As you can see there, it's covered just over 18,000 miles. And of course, is still under BMW manufacturer's warranty. So we'll quickly pop that roof up into the tilt function before quickly heading on the outside of the vehicle to show you that comfort access pack and what that of course means. So that's now the vehicle off. We'll exit the vehicle. I've got the key in my hand. I don't need to click a button to lock the vehicle or unlock it. I can simply place my finger onto the locking pad and it shuts up and locks the vehicle for me, as well as folding in the mirrors as well. So that is that, and that will conclude the walk around for the stunning Xdrive G20 Msport 320D in mineral grey. We do of course hope you found this walk around video useful. There is that stunning sunroof in the tilt. So we do of course hope you found this walk around video useful. Most of all, we do of course hope to see yourselves very soon here at your next car. Thanks for watching. Do of course take care. Thank you and goodbye.